Have you noticed lately you're spending more money, but somehow getting less back? Groceries cost more, housing feels heavier, bills seem never ending. And maybe you've quietly been asking yourself, is it just me? Well, today I want to tell you something. No, it's not just you. And more importantly, there is a way forward. Let's talk real for a moment. What many people are feeling right now is something called economic pressure. That simply means life is becoming more expensive while many incomes aren't rising fast enough to match it. Think about it. You go into the grocery store for a few things and somehow walk out spending almost double what you expected. Rent and mortgages? Higher. Insurance? Higher. Utilities? Higher. Even basic things families need every single day feel more expensive. And what makes this difficult is many people are silently carrying this stress, still smiling, still showing up, still helping others, but privately wondering, how much longer can I keep doing this? And if that sounds familiar, I want you to know you're not failing. You're navigating a difficult season that many people are experiencing right now. Let me paint a picture. Maybe this sounds familiar. A single parent working hard, trying to stretch groceries for the week, choosing between food, gas, or catching up on a bill. Or maybe it's a family saying, we make decent money, so why does it still feel like we're barely keeping up? Or maybe you've had a dream to start a business, launch a nonprofit, or finally move forward with something meaningful. But you've been thinking, right now just doesn't feel like the time. And I understand that feeling, because economic pressure doesn't just affect your wallet. It affects your confidence, your peace, your decisions, and even your ability to dream bigger. Sometimes people stop moving forward, not because they lack purpose, but because pressure makes survival feel louder than vision. And maybe today you needed someone to say, I see what you're carrying, because trust me, you are not alone. And here's the part nobody really talks about. Communities are feeling it. Families are feeling it. Small businesses are feeling it. Nonprofits are feeling it. Even churches are feeling it. Now, here's the important question. What do we actually do about it? Here are some practical ways to move forward. 1, stop surviving blindly. Get clarity. Look at your finances honestly, not emotionally. Ask, where is my money actually going? Sometimes awareness alone changes everything. 2, create multiple streams of opportunity. This economy rewards strategy. Maybe it's starting a business, formalizing your side hustle, creating digital income, or building something sustainable. Because sometimes the answer isn't cutting more, it's creating more. 3, don't isolate. Too many people struggle in silence. There are community programs, resources, support systems, funding opportunities, and sometimes people simply don't know what help exists. 4, think long-term. Pressure can make us panic, but panic decisions often cost more later. Instead, ask, what can I build today that creates stability tomorrow? That question changes everything. Listen, this season may feel heavy, but heavy does not mean hopeless. Pressure does not mean permanent, and where you are today does not have to be where you stay. Sometimes all it takes is structure, strategy, and support. If you're trying to start a business, build a nonprofit, or create something sustainable during uncertain times, that's exactly why we're here at Bridge Builders Business Services, building your bridge from idea to manifestation. If this video encouraged you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs hope today. It's about understanding real-world changes so nonprofits, entrepreneurs, and communities can stay informed and prepared. And tell me in the comments, what economic pressure have you noticed lately? Because trust me, you are not alone in this. I'll see you in the next video.